Sport guns.
So the next one we're going to be doing, you guys, is going to be down in Daytona Beach for Oktoberfest. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Stay in control. We're going to watch it. Oh no! What's happening? What's going to happen? This is going to get closer.
Sending to.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's all. That's all.
All right, here's another Harley question. Another door prize. Somebody answered it earlier.
Make sure you subscribe to Run Cup Pro.
Happy last Sturgis.
I think it is my last.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey guys, I'm Chantel from Hot Springs, Arkansas, and just got a little bit of black and white, a little bit of color, a little bit of everything.
Woo! Let's go. Sturgis.
Thank you for watching Sturgis 2025 from Broken Spoke. Subscribe and like at Prime Cup Pro.
What a beautiful day to do this adventure. Sturgis 2025. Coming at you. We're at the Harley booth right now. So right now it's Sunday. Today is Sunday. Day 3 of the rally already. So Sturgis 85th anniversary. original seat too.
Got the original front tire on it.
There it is.
Up there 9 times, up and down that ladder of their stairway, when the old Buddha would go kaput, 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 and he'd have to crane crank it. Can you
She wrote, "I'm the boss." She stands 5'5", and her measurements are the good ones.
All right, watch out, watch out. Just go for the cones. Go for the cones.
Do you have a bucket list?
Sure do.
What would be on that bucket list?
I want to get abducted by aliens.
That's what.
Thank you for watching from the 85th Sturgis Rally. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, I was exploring. I went to Needles Highway, rode around, went to Mount Rushmore, you know, did all the things we could do.
Yeah.
Nice.
Have you ever been to Devil's Bathtub?
I went there. I went there on Tuesday.
Beer. Are y'all here every day right here? Same one? Same bar?
Same bar. And office like Sydney's. Go see us.
I'm very proud of you, man. So tell me about this.
All right, let's meet number 3. This is Gabriella Lynn from Berkeley Springs, West Lyon, Virginia.
Look at this beautiful bike. One of a kind. Orthodox custom motorcycle. And now it's yours. How does that feel?
I was looking for a nice bike.
Now it's yours. And if I can't hear those motorcycles right now, I'm gonna have a fit. So let me hear those bikes right now. Let me hear those bikes right now. Let me hear those bikes.
All right. I don't know what the hell that is. You don't need to explain, brother.
She holds a BKFC record of 4 victories opposite 4 defeats. She is a former BKFC World Strawweight and Flyweight title challenger from Rock Hill, South Carolina. Here is Taylor Killer B. Starling.
Send it. Full send, right?
Full send. Full send.
So we've already dealt with storms. We've dealt with cold weather. Hey, nothing like Sturgis, right?
100 mile per hour winds. We had hail the first night, and now it's going pretty good.
But anyways, once again, this is Kyle and Cody Ice, brought to you by Harley Davidson. Watch them ride.
Black and white, a little bit of color, a little bit of everything. So.
Go ahead, turn around. These people are camping here too.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Y'all see me back here? Is that better? Hi. Hello.
Okay. So is that the only class you're in now? Is overall?
Unless you want me to be in more.
George Strait, Dwight Cooper, never straight. On that clean old country sound that we all know. That was